for this session. So we call it as a coffee at Regent for the past 14 years, and he is currently the F&B Manager at Regent Palace Hotel, Dubai.
So yeah, before giving a self-introduction, let me thank Mr. Thoufeek. I worked in Bahrain, Nepal, India of course, and now in Dubai for last 1 year. You should update yourself with the latest trends. You should know what is happening in my industry. And this is the only industry which provides you a job security. Compared to any other sector, what we are handling is humans. And we cannot predict how a human in front of us is going to react.
Alright, so what are the struggles faced by you at the initial stages to get a job in hospitality industry?
Apply in Dubai for this position. Most of the companies would not prefer to hire someone who does not have experience in Dubai.
So how do you tend to find the work-life balance?
Challenge will be there only for 2 years. After 2 years, you set your mind. Today you tell me to work for 18 hours, I'm okay with it. Why? Because I enjoy what I do.
Your skill set, but you cover.
Of course, as a F&B, as an individual person, you won't be able to do it alone. You have a team. Motivation means to identify somebody's skills.
Do you like to